Introducing the 2023 Toyota GR86. Here's a high-performance GR86 that offers thrilling athleticism, sleek coupe lines, modern safety and infotainment features, and endless exhilaration, all at a surprisingly affordable price. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors, backup camera, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, heated front seat, steering wheel audio controls. Feel the excitement this sporty GR86 has to offer. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.